Okay, this is my 5x8 utility trailer designed for pressure washing. This system goes well beyond just for home use. This can be used in a light commercial, light industrial application as well. And I say that because this thing is extremely powerful. Extremely powerful. The engine on this thing is a Honda 4-stroke. Model is GC190. Starts on one pole. Extremely powerful in conjunction with the pump and the wand. And it's fairly quiet, which is nice. That is a 15-gallon tank that I would normally put some soap in of some type. Not doing that today. And this is a 50-gallon water reservoir and a large tool box behind that. This particular wand seems to be exceptionally efficient, powerful. It came with approximately 5 different nozzles. Currently I have the white nozzle on this thing, and according to the instructions, the white is the lowest pressure of all the other nozzles. And so what I'm going to demonstrate with my equipment is the power of it and the results that it produces. I purposely chose the nastiest, ugliest, worn down house in the state of Florida. It's disgusting. It hasn't been maintained for years and years. The decking is just shot. Siding is falling off this house. There's mold, mildew, moss all over the place. This house really needs to be torched, actually. Let me show you some results. Some quick results on the decking here. Now this is the result that I got. You can see I missed a little because I was shooting at this angle. But I produced those results with the lowest pressure nozzle, no soap, no chemicals. That's just the power washer alone. And for people that don't want chemicals going into the ground, this is really a fantastic way to go. Now, check these steps out. These steps, of course, get the full effect of the sun. And again, that's with the lowest pressure nozzle, no soap, no chemicals. And you can see this deck, it's just trashed. It's history. And I was able to clean it up to that degree. And that right there is the full step, what's left of it. And here's a post. I guess that would be a good before. That's after. And there's another little before. I'll redo this whole thing. Okay, this is with no soap, no chemicals. And when this dries, there'll be a huge contrast between the portion I just sprayed and the lower portion that's not been sprayed. And when she's all dried up, we're going to take another look at her and show the difference. And I really like this deal because no soap, no chemicals, and it's doing its job. Alright, when I said that this house is a disgusting mess, I meant it. This is a POS house. We all know what POS stands for. There's more colors on this frickin' vinyl than there are in a rainbow. Look at this. I just shot that again with my lowest power nozzle and no chemicals and no soaps. And I'll demonstrate this for you. Whatever that stuff is, it's on there like cement. You need an M80 to get that off. Okay, I'm wrapping up this demonstration, and I'd like to state that I am for hire with this trailer and pressure washer. I'll clean your fencing, your vinyl siding, your decking, possibly your pool enclosure, sidewalk, patio, mobile home. I could clean an entire mobile home. Your dock, your boat dock, your driveway. What I won't do is anything that I can't reach with a 6-foot ladder. If it's over 10 feet tall, I'm not touching it. But I can see right now that I can easily do an entire exterior of a single wide or double wide trailer, and of course anything with concrete and anything wood like fencing, decking, etc. My service is going to be a basic service. I'm not going to put sealer down for you after I clean your driveway. I'm not going to do any fancy add-ons. I'm going to clean with my power washer, and that's it, unless we make other prior arrangements.